Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video, and today's job lead is non-phone based. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if these job leads are helpful to you. Share with your friends, share with your families, and so we can all work from home, living happy, healthy lives. But let's just get into today's job lead. The company BairesDev is a software engineering technology company, and on their main page, when I go to their main website, hopefully my screen recording software is catching this, and you can see this little box that pops up in the corner, and it says, "Hi there, I'm a client services representative, and I'm here to assist you," and I can chat with David here. That is what they are hiring for. They are hiring for a customer service representative to be a chat agent and sit online and type in that little box. So this is customer service based, but it is non-phone based. It says they are a fast-growing company in Latin America, and they welcome they are a highly rated employer on Glassdoor. So they are looking for a customer service representative to join their chat system team. This is a part-time position. Here is the schedule you'll be working. Monday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., Tuesday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., on Wednesday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., Thursday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., and Friday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this is basically an 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. job, Monday through Friday, no weekends, no nights, except for on Monday, you only work to 11 a.m. So some of the things you'll be doing is connecting to their chat system during working hours, answering all the persons connecting to their chat system and giving them relevant information. You'll perform extensive searches on the web to find leads and company contact information. You'll upload data of the new leads into their system database and marketing spreadsheets, and you'll forward all this information to teams such as recruiting, HR. So they are looking for someone who has 3 to 5 years of experience in data entry or sales. Experience in sales roles is desirable. They want someone who is detail-oriented and deadline-driven, the ability to work remotely, and someone who follows processes, and it says advanced English level. This is 100% remote work, and it says they offer excellent compensation, although they don't say what that is, and they do say they offer opportunities for growth as well. Now, they don't say if they only hire within the United States or Latin America or what, but reading between the lines, it says advanced English level. It kind of looks like they are willing to hire remotely anywhere, as long as you can do the job, work the schedule, and you have great English language skills. But you would have to contact them to confirm that. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. In the meantime, you can check out all the playlists linked down in the description below. Those have all kinds of recent job leads that might just be a good fit for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.